Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top PTT CC VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your PTT CC experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for PTT CC? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which cuts your internet instantly if the VPN fails, so you never risk exposing your IP while using PTT CC. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your activity or connections. But the places where they differ, that's where it really matters for PTT CC. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for PTCC because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data gets wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of tracker scams or phishing links targeting PTCC users, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with your PTTCC contacts over a private network. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can stay connected on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy PTTCC user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and reliable connection for you. And for any PTTCC user dealing with slow or spotty connections, it offers a SOC 5 proxy for potentially better speeds and connection routing. Just keep in mind, you're trading off a layer of encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for PTTCC? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother, more reliable connections for your PTTCC calls and chats. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering consistent and low latency thanks to the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its performance varies with different servers. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low latency and speed are your top priorities, especially if you rely on PTTCC for real-time communication. Go with IPVanish if you need unlimited device connections and want the most reliable infrastructure for your PTTCC sessions. And finally, pick PIA if privacy is your biggest concern, or if you want open source apps with proven no-logs guarantees. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for PTTCC. See you soon.